Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. So this huge article just came out, guys. It's called "We Think Uber and Lyft's New Surge Fares Screw Drivers and Riders, Help Us Prove It." So Uber, Lyft, and Rideshare drivers help us prove it. So this is from Jalopnik. If you know who Jalopnik is, I'll just, I don't want to butcher the definition, but Jalopnik, let's see if the internet actually loads this time because it hasn't been loading for a while. But basically Jalopnik, it looks like it's like a law or like a, I don't know, Aaron Gordon, he filed to Uber. Wow, there's some cussing on this. Okay. Uber, yeah, I'm gonna get into all of that, but basically with the new model that Uber and Lyft is going, this study actually shows that it could actually be beneficial for Uber, their new pay model, and not for the driver. So let me know your thoughts at the end of the video, or even throughout. Just type your comment down below while I'm talking. You don't have to wait till the very end. Wow, I look super sunburnt. Look at that little, tank top tan line. Okay, so Uber changed how its surge pricing works last year. Not for riders, but for drivers. The changes have resulted in drivers earning less from surge pricing, but riders are still paying the same costs, with Uber pocketing the difference. We had heard from drivers that this was a big blow to their already precarious income. So a little over a month ago, we asked Uber drivers to send us screenshots of their surge fares. Oh my gosh, so they actually have real-time data. Surge pricing goes into effect when Uber's algorithm determines there is more demand. 50-50 split. Uber said 175 fares isn't enough to draw conclusions from. So he actually fought back and said, given millions of trips take place every day in the US, 175 rider receipts is not a meaningful sample size, and a 47-53 split is simply not representative. That is true. I do agree with that. 175 is not enough at all. You need around 10,000 in order to get a decent sample. Because these could all be, there's all the exceptions. Uber is right that 175, yep, that's true, but Uber refused to make anyone from the company available for an interview to discuss in detail how the new pricing model works. I don't blame them. I mean, they don't want to share that. They said it's closer to 20%. I don't know about that. That's why we're launching fares.jalopnik.com. We want to learn more about how Uber and Lyft. Oh, so you can submit your information. I'll leave this link in the description, but you can go to fares.jalopnik.com and then you can send in your screenshots if you believe that you're not being paid out correctly. So yeah, basically it's a dynamic pricing model to better serve drivers and riders, but basically the whole thing is that in their study they found that, they're still gonna do a new study. So basically, to summarize, they created a study with 175 fares, and in that study they found that since a couple years ago, riders are still essentially paying the same amount of money, but drivers are just getting a lot less. So Uber's pocketing that money, working on driverless cars and, recruiting new drivers. But Uber said 175 is not enough, so what are they doing now? Now they're getting even more people. And you guys can send in your fares too. If you think you're being cheated, send in your screenshots to fares.jalop. I'll put the link in the description if you want to check that out. Oh, I'm getting tired, guys. I gotta go to bed. I will talk to you all soon. Have a great and amazing day. Go kill it out there, make some money, and remember to always make a bunch of money driving Uber and Lyft or whatever you want to do. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't only do Uber. Don't only do Lyft. Don't do it full time. Have a normal job, drive it on the side, or work towards something else. You can do anything you put your mind to, guys. You guys are absolutely killing it. I'm super proud of all you guys, honestly. Thank you for all the recent support recently. I don't know what I'm saying. I can't. I'm tired. I'm gonna go. All right, I'll talk to you all soon. Later, guys. Peace.